Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and you're not. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Béarnaise sauce, aka hollandaise sauce with tarragon. We'll be right back. Hi, Chef Carl here. As you know, I always ask you to support our military and first responders. Our sponsors, Janet Churchill Britt and her husband, Doug Britt, are with Keller Williams Realty here in Kennewick, and are offering significant savings to all hero groups when you sell or buy a home. This includes all military, active, reserve, and veterans. Also, law enforcement, teachers, and all frontline employees. Give them a call and tell them that Chef Carl sent you.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 egg yolks and whip them up. I'm going to add about a shot of water. I'm going to take about a half a shot of tarragon, or tarragon vinegar, and about a half a shot of tarragon. Mix that all in. I'm going to put them in this pan, and I'm going to put some pats of butter in the pan and stir it up, and occasionally take it off the fire so it doesn't curdle. So let's get the show going. So now I've got 3 egg yolks in there already, and I'm going to add the 4th egg yolk. You want to get all the egg whites off. There's still a couple egg whites. There we go. That way, when you're heating it up, you're not going to look like an omelet. Okay? All right. So now, I'm going to stir these up a little bit. I'm going to put in a shot of water. A shot of tarragon. A little bit of tarragon leaves. If you don't add the tarragon leaves and the tarragon vinegar, then it's going to be hollandaise sauce. Squeeze. I'll start off with a 1/4 lemon. And now, you can heat up the pan a little bit. You don't want to get it too hot, otherwise it's going to like scrambled eggs. And it's a culinary term. Don't put your hand on there because it eventually will burn you. Put about a half a stick to 2/3 of a stick, depending how much. That looks good. And then just start stirring it up. Now a lot of times I'll do this in like a aluminum pot, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So it's a little time consuming, but you can make this about an hour ahead so it's ready for your dinner. Do not overcook it. And just when you think it's not going to get thicker, poof, voila. Lower this a little bit. You don't want it like cement. And really, there you go. So I'm going to put this off to the side. And now you can use this for steak béarnaise sauce, lobster, shrimp, on crab legs, anything that you'd like to do. So, this is Chef Carl. Remember to subscribe. I appreciate all the people watching. Don't forget that they're veterans, past, present, and future. Support them. Support Grilling and Chilling with Mojo. He's helping me out. And you all have a great day. Goodbye. I love you. Farewell.